Now we're getting on to the somewhat tricky task of setting up a custom Facebook landing tab. So this means that when someone logs onto your Facebook page directly, if they're not a fan, this is what they see. We're going to use a website called lujure.com for this. That's lujure.com. It's completely free for one tab on one page, and it's really easy to use, so I would highly recommend it. You basically set up your account here, get a confirmation email, and then you log in. First time you log in, you'll get taken to a Facebook screen, which means that you basically have to give permission to Lujure to access some of your data. It's completely standard, and pretty much any app you use will require this. So, just accept that, and then it'll take you into the Lujure homepage. And because your Facebook account will be connected, here you'll be able to load up your fan pages. So I'm going to choose my own homepage. So I'm choosing media, and then you name the tab. Now I am going to call it social success because it's going to be for what we're doing now. And what would you like to do next? You want to edit that tab. Just while we're waiting, I'm going to load up MailChimp as well. Right, so this is the Lujure dashboard. I'm going to say you need a 700, the standard width is 520 pixels, and I'm going to say you need a 700 pixel height, so set that to 700. And now we start constructing our page. What's great about this is it's just a simple drag and drop. So you basically drag something from there, drag it over to this side, and choose an image. Now if you've got a business, then you'd obviously put in your logo or something with your branding on it. So I'm going to use what I've already got, which has a default, which has a size of 520, but actually I'm not going to change the size. I'm going to change that back to 300. I'm going to show you how you can fix this yourself. So you upload it, hit done. When it loads, it's going to be a bit skewed in terms of proportion. So you just get your positioning right in terms of what you want in the top left corner, and then you can drag it out yourself like that. Yep, that's a bit too much. So something like that. And then you need another image you drag over. And this time we are going to be putting in the graphic for our ebook or giveaway. Choose that. This time I'm going to go with the size of the graphic, so that's 305 by 361. Done. Wait for that to upload. I want to put that just underneath the heading, so as you can see the borders overlap. Although it's probably a little bit too high, so I'm going to lower that. It's probably a bit too big as well, so I'm going to make that a bit smaller. Again, you can just drag the size of the graphic. Okay. Next, we need a headline. Now they have got a plain text option here, which is called plain text field, but we're going to use HTML just because you can customize it more easily. Don't worry, I've copied and pasted this HTML for you into the just below this video, so you can get it there yourself and copy and paste it. So that is the head. I've basically just put a very generic headline here, so you can probably take that from your squeeze page or something and you'd put that there, so you'd have some kind of headline there. I am actually missing one step which I did want to show you, and that is adding a like button and a share button. So go onto the second screen of tabs. There's this little like button here, just drag it onto there. Now you should hopefully have your Facebook page's vanity URL set up. If not, go back to the previous tutorial and set that up. So you've got the like button here. So I'm just going to drag that up a little bit. The purpose of this tab is not to get likes, it's to get email addresses. So you've got the like button and you also want the share button. Add that in the same place, and again same Facebook page URL. it's overlapping with that. So basically you're just going to drag that up. You're going to just put them below the header. You don't want them to be too obvious, purely because that's not the point of this. Then we're going to add another image, and this is a sign up image. I have included this in the image pack below this video as well, so you can just download that and use it, upload it here yourself. If I can find it, sign up now, choose that, done. I'm going to upload that. Now as you can see, that's probably too big and it's getting blurred a bit, so we're just going to put a simple sign up now there. And my headline's probably a bit too big as well, so I'm going to shrink that a bit and shrink this one a bit, and you'll see why in a minute. Now I'm going to come back to this space here. What I want to do next is add this one here, comment stream. So you add that there. Again, enter your Facebook page URL, if you can enter it right. Number of posts, whatever you want. Done. Scroll down, and as you can see, now you have the great feature of Facebook comments, which means that whenever anyone comments on here, it shows up in their news feed. So that's so it'll help your page go viral. Right, that is set up. I'm doing this sort of quickly and roughly so that you can see it. And now we are getting onto the tricky bit, which is adding in your opt-in form. We're going to drag the HTML thing over into the empty space. Now I've already done work. I've already sorted out all of the coding and the HTML for setting up the opt-in form, so I'm just going to copy and paste it. Below this video I've got full instructions with how to use this code, what you need to change, where you need to change it, and it'll be really easy for you. So you'll just have to copy and paste, change a couple of bits, and add it in yourself. So that you will add there. And that is basically you got your opt-in here, you've got your call to action here saying sign up now. You might want to move them a bit closer together. And that's basically done. So you'd hit save. This page saved. And then you would hit publish. It's doing now. And you just basically from the drop down choose the page you want to add it to. So I want to add it to my business page, add fan page tab 1. So I've got a lot of extra tabs on my page, so basically on the left hand side it should show up there. If not, hit the more button, it'll show up there. Now to change that title, you would go to change two things. First of all, you want to make it your default landing tab. Second of all, you want to make it your you want to change the title of it. So you go to edit page. If you want to make it so anyone who's not a fan, that is what they see when they get onto your come to your page, then you change it there, and you just choose default landing tab. It's under manage permissions. Choose the name of the tab. In this case, it's fan page tab 1. And when you want to change the name of the tab, you go to apps, find it in here. As you can see, I've got tons of apps installed on my page, a lot more than I need. You find it here, edit settings, and you change the name to something like social success. Save. Okay. Now if I go back to my page, that will have changed the name, hopefully. Scroll down. There you go, social success. So that is how you will set up your custom default Facebook landing tab. Like I said, you want, alright, that happened automatically, but anyways, like I said, you want the objective of this tab is to get the email address, not necessarily to get likes. If someone's giving you your email address, they're probably going to like your page anyways, but we build the likes into the autoresponders, like I'll be showing you in the next couple of parts to this series as well. So that is building your, adding your autoresponder series and what you're giving away to your Facebook tab, to your Facebook page, which means that you'll also be growing your business via Facebook.